Everybody, welcome to Hikers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an object in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled, so if you ever get lost, just look there. Anything I do will appear there. Now with that being said, let's get into the video. So to add an object in Blender, it's really simple. All you have to do is hold Shift on your keyboard and then press A. As you can see, this little menu has shown up on your screen. Now all you're going to do is click on Mesh, and then you can add whatever you want. You can add a flat plane, you can add a cube, a flat circle, a UV sphere, an isosphere, cylinder, cone, torus, or even a monkey named Suzanne. I am going to add the monkey by clicking on it, and as you can see, it is now in my viewport. Now, if you want to change where this object appears, you have to change your 3D cursor, which you would do by holding Shift and then right-clicking wherever you want. Right-clicking wherever you want 3D cursor to be. As you can see, the cursor is now here, and if I add another object, let's say a sphere, it will now appear at the 3D cursor. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye.